In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your Squarespace subscription. Whether you've found a new platform, are taking a break from your work, or have any other reason for wanting to cancel, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure a smooth and hassle-free cancellation process. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Squarespace website. If you're new to canceling subscriptions online, don't worry. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. When you're ready, look for the Get Started button. This is typically located in a prominent area on the homepage. Click on this, and it will direct you to your personal dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and settings related to your account and the sites you manage. To find the tools you'll need for cancellation, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. From here, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll through until you find the Billing section. Click on it, and you'll then see an option that says Subscription. Clicking on Subscription will bring up information regarding your active subscriptions with Squarespace. It's important to carefully review these details so you can confirm you're selecting the right one. Next, you'll need to select the specific subscription you want to end. If you manage multiple projects or websites, make sure to carefully identify the one you wish to cancel. Once you've verified the subscription, let's proceed to the actual cancellation. You'll notice an option that says Cancel Subscription. In some cases, particularly if you're currently within a trial period, this button might be labeled as Cancel Trial instead. Either way, selecting this option will initiate the cancellation process. After selecting Cancel Subscription or Cancel Trial, you'll typically be presented with a dialog box asking you to confirm your decision. Be sure to read through any notifications or prompts that appear. These are important as they might include information about any remaining charges or timeline specific to your account. Confirm your choice, and that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of canceling your Squarespace subscription. Make sure to check any confirmation emails you might receive to ensure that the cancellation has been processed correctly. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Squarespace support for help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions or need more tutorials, feel free to drop a comment below. See you next time.